Hello, little. What are you doing in there? What are you doing? What are you doing? Wayne, what do you say? What do you... Oh, you say it again. What do you say? Oh, hello, little Snookums. Hello, little Snookums. Honey, what do you say? You want down? Do you want down, little lady? Say yes, please. Can you say yes, please? I guess not. Can you? Weem. Tell mommy yes, please. Go on, just say please, mommy. Please? Okay. Okay. Oh, hello, little girl. You're so beautiful. How'd you become so pretty? Can you tell me that? You are my lovely little lady. Oh. What do you say? Oh, you don't say anything apparently. Do you say anything? You say, Mommy, I smell. That's what you say. Do you want me to help you down? Oh, don't eat that here. Come here, baby. Come here. Let's help you down. Okay. See what you do. Oh, here's one Lubbins. Here's one little Lubbins. You're so beautiful. What's a chance? Come on, sweetie. Oh, I'm doing the bear. Let's see if we can get you. Gonna put this camera and hope that I can catch me getting you down. Though I doubt it. We'll see. No, because no, it's not gonna come. Alright, part 2 to come if there's anything to get.